Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create table in LibreOffice Base. Now, first to get this done, we're here right now in LibreOffice Base, and we're going to head over and click the tables here. And we're going to click create table in design view. And here is how it is going to look. So let's go ahead and click the field name right here. And we're going to go ahead and type something here in the field name. So let's go ahead and start with student ID, say for example. And what I'm going to do is click this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and change this to integer. And then for the settings below, auto value, let's go ahead with the yes in there. And then for the second one, it's going to be, let's say, for example, first name. For the field type, let's go to be text. Enter required, yes. And then let's go ahead and type your second name. And let's do the same field type and field property set to yes. Then let's go ahead and type, say, for example, date, or the date you have here, date as well. Let's go ahead and set this to yes. And then for the format field, you can go ahead and click this one and choose the right format for you. So there are different options here. I want you to go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Yeah, say for example, you want to put some grades here. Let's say math, you can go ahead and change or put it there and then add a number here. Now, decimal places you can definitely put here, but in our case, it's not required. So I'm just going to set this as yes. Now, there are different more options that you can do. I want you to go ahead and choose whatever is applicable to you. So now in the description, you can definitely put description here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and put here grades in math, say something like that. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and click the save button right here. And then you can go ahead and name this one. I'm going to go ahead and name this one students. Click OK. And then it's going to appear here. So I can close this one. And then I can go ahead and double click this and it's going to appear just like so. So from here, you can go ahead and start typing. Say, for example, name is Kyle Harrison, and then date is going to be December 12, 1998. It's going to appear there. And then you can also make this bigger. And then grade for math, it's going to be, let's say, 88, something like that. Now, if you're going to hover over, you remember we added description here. If you're going to hover over, you're going to see that description just like so. The others don't have, so they're not going to be seen here. Now, you can continue adding a student. Say, for example, you want to type here James Mark, and then it's born on July 21, 1997, and then the math grade is 90. There you go. So as you can see, student ID is going to automatically fill in. Yep, there you go. So it's gonna there is going to be an error if you're going to make some edits here. Yeah, there you go. That is how you're going to create a table here in LibreOffice Base.